Form 4 Bio Chapter 7 Video number 6. Okay, continue our fermentations, but not alcohol fermentation anymore. We go to another part of fermentation, lactic acid fermentations. Okay, what's the difference? What's the big difference between these two? Alcohol fermentation, it takes place on the plant, but lactic acid fermentation, it will be mostly take place in animal. 它在 animal 那边发生。Okay. So what is lactic acid fermentation? 什么东西来的呢 ？OK， 什么来的呢 ？Never mind, we continue now. 我们现在开始了 lactic acid fermentations. OK， 来。So we're having two types of fermentation: alcohol fermentation and lactic acid fermentations. Or what's meant by lactic acid fermentations? The breakdown of glucose into lactic acid and energy. Break down the glucose into lactic acid and energy. But when you break down the glucose, it's to produce water, carbon dioxide, and energy. But why produce the lactic acid and energy? It's simple. Incomplete breakdown of glucose. 那个 glucose 没有完整的被解散。So in the condition of the oxygen deficiency, 缺氧 or maybe no oxygen at all. Okay, so break down the glucose into lactic acid and energy. 把 glucose 解散不过不完整。Become lactic acid and energy. But why we don't call it as alcohol fermentations? Alcohol fermentation will be take place on the plant, 在植物那边。But for animal, okay, like certain bacteria and animal, or maybe human 人类 this is not the alcohol fermentation. 我们的就叫 lactic acid fermentation because we not produce any ethanol. 我们没有产生任何的酒精叫 ethanol. So glucose become lactic acid and energy. But any example 有什么例子呢 ？Any example? Number one, okay. So lactic acid fermentation by who? Okay, by Lactobacillus bacteria. Lactobacillus bacteria. Bacillus 就是条状型的意思。Lacto 就是 lactose 的意思了。Okay, so Lactobacillus 就是要把那个 lactose 解散，变成新东西的一种条状型的 bacteria. Okay, Lactobacillus 什么来的呢 ？Don't know. Don't know.The bacteria Lactobacillus carry up the milk fermentations to produce the yogurts. 你把用牛奶这种 bacteria 叫 Lactobacillus. You're having the milk fermentation, or this is a lactic acid fermentation to produce a yogurt. 然后把你的牛奶呢变成 yogurt. Or during the MCO, maybe you try it to make your own yogurt, 对不对？什么鬼都做，面包也做 ，cake 也做，不好吃都讲得很好吃，照片拍得很多。Okay, 大致上好吃的了，我相信你，只是你没有给我吃，我讲你罢了。Okay, so this is a yogurt from where? From milk. But how to make it? Add the bacteria, 叫 Lactobacillus. But the problem is here, how the bacteria making this yogurt? 这个 bacteria 怎样做这个 yogurt 呢 ？Okay, so like continue our title, Lactobacillus bacteria. So the bacteria act on the lactose. Okay, 就是乳糖啦。And turn it into lactic acid. Bacteria act on the lactose. 它把那个乳糖解散 and make it become the lactic acid. 变成乳酸。Okay? And the lactic acid will then coagulate the casein, the milk protein. 这个 lactic acid, okay, 就把那个乳酸，就把牛奶里面的蛋白质叫 casein, coagulate 粘起来 coagulate together, join together to produce the yogurt. 就变成浓浓的 yogurt.Okay, so lactic acid is a source of the sour taste in the yogurt. So 那个 lactic acid 啊 sour 啦 ，so yogurt 酸就是这个原因啦 ，because of the lactic acid. Okay, so this is one of the example of lactic acid fermentations. Okay, how about another example? 另外一个 example 是什么呢 ？You copy first. Okay, 来 ，human muscle cells.Lactic acid fermentation that take place in the human muscle cell. 人类的 muscle cell 里面，人类的 muscle 的细胞进行的 lactic acid fermentation. But I'm not going to continue for this video with this title. You know why? When you go exam, almost 90% of the exam questions they will be concentrated around this part. 那么全部集合在这一个 part.This part is the most important in this book called Chapter 7. 整本 Chapter 7这一个 part 最耀眼了，明白吗？考试 essay 都是他了，没有人比他更好了。So that's why we go to another video， 我们用另外一个 video 来搞定它，把它分开。拜拜。